Are you a Rogers, Fido, or Shaw customer looking for a credit card that actually rewards your loyalty? Or are you just on the hunt for a great no annual fee card? Either way, the Rogers Red Mastercard might be exactly what you're looking for. It's not just a credit card, it's a tool that can help you save money on your everyday spending and, most importantly, on your Rogers services. So let's break it down. What do you really need to know about the Rogers Red Mastercard? The main attraction is its cashback rewards. For Rogers, Fido, or Shaw customers, the deal is simple. You earn 2% unlimited cash back on all eligible purchases. That's a solid return on everything from groceries to gas, and it's a rate that's hard to beat for a no annual fee card. If you're not a Rogers customer, you still earn 1% cash back on most purchases, and a very competitive 2% on purchases made in US dollars. But here's where it gets even better. The real value comes when you use your cash back to pay for your Rogers, Fido, or Shaw services. When you redeem your rewards this way, you get a 1.5x redemption bonus, which effectively bumps your cash back value up to 3%. That's a huge boost, and it means your credit card rewards can directly help lower your monthly phone or internet bill. On top of the cashback, the card has some unique perks for Rogers customers. You get 5 free roam-like home days every year, which is a fantastic benefit for travelers, saving you up to $75 on international roaming charges. The card also gives you access to a 0% interest equal payment plan for financing new devices at Rogers, which can make upgrading your phone a lot more affordable. The Rogers Red Mastercard is a no annual fee card, and applying is a straightforward process you can complete online. You'll typically need a good credit score to be approved. Once you have the card and your account is linked to an eligible Rogers service, your enhanced cash back and other benefits are automatically applied. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.